In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect ElevenLabs to HeyGen. To begin, you'll need an API key from your ElevenLabs account. This key is required to connect the two platforms. So we'll start by getting that ready. After logging into your ElevenLabs account, look over to the left-hand panel and find the Developer section. Click on it to open the developer tools available in your account. Once you're inside the Developers section, select the API Keys tab. Here you'll see any API keys you've already created. If you already have one available, you can use that. If you don't, you'll need to create a new one. Click on Create API Key to generate a new key. During the setup process, you'll have the option to configure its permissions. Make sure you allow access to voices along with any other permissions you'll need for the HeyGen integration. Once you've finished creating the key, keep it ready because you'll use it in the next part of the setup. With your API key prepared, switch over to your HeyGen account. After logging in, go to the left-hand panel and click on Voices. This section contains the voice settings and voice integrations for your account. Inside the Voices section, look for the option to integrate third-party voice and click on it. A list of supported services will appear. From the available services, select ElevenLabs. This tells HeyGen that you want to connect your ElevenLabs account as your external voice provider. You'll now see a field where you can enter your ElevenLabs API key. Copy the API key from your ElevenLabs account, paste it into the appropriate field, and then click Confirm. After confirming the API key, the connection between ElevenLabs and HeyGen will be established. Once the integration is complete, the two platforms will be linked and ready to work together. If you ever need to reconnect the integration or create a different API key in the future, you can return to the Developers section in ElevenLabs, generate another API key if needed, and repeat the same process inside the Voices section of HeyGen. The entire setup only takes a few minutes once you know where each option is located. As long as you create the API key, configure the required permissions, select ElevenLabs as the third-party voice provider in HeyGen, and confirm the key, the integration should be completed successfully. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more ElevenLabs and HeyGen tutorials and helpful guides.